little bit of a funny story. I didn't get the letter in the mail, and I got this email saying, we need to make arrangements for you to go to this award ceremony. And I had no inclination this was what it was. I thought it was for a research award that we had kind of applied for. And so when I realized this was what it was, I was exceptionally overwhelmed in my office. And the first thing I did was call my husband and said, you can't believe this, what happened? And explained to him how people got nominated and that it was by your peers. And it was a pretty incredible day. I work really, really hard and spend a lot of time with all the patients I see and try to treat all of my colleagues with respect and professionalism, but to be recognized for it's a whole different thing. It makes you really feel like all the extra time and the effort, it's not just for one person at a time, that it's being recognized on a bigger level. I feel like in obstetrics we're there for some really amazing moments in people's lives, and it's really, I think, sometimes easy to be there for people when things are exciting and beautiful and babies are healthy and happy, but it takes something else to be there for somebody when the circumstances really suck. And that's a lot of the patients that I see. They're complications that no one wants to have, where typically something's found about the baby that's really devastating. And they're the patients I feel like really need somebody to listen to them and to be there for them in a special way. Knowing at the end of the day that I took care of someone in the really bad moment and that maybe it's a little bit easier because of that really makes it worth it. For me in my job, collaboration is something I do every day, all day long. I work with an incredible team. I tell patients all the time, Rachel, my assistant's going to be talking with you, and without Rachel I couldn't do what I do. There's no way. Without the nursing staff on labor and delivery, there's no way. Without the residents or my partners, without my chair. There's just really, honestly, without the team it doesn't work at all. I'd like to say thank you, even though those words just aren't enough. I think it's really hard to express how grateful I feel for someone taking the time to recognize someone else for what they do. We spend so much time at the hospital, time away from our families and time working and, tirelessly working for patients. But so does everybody else in the hospital. And so to be recognized for it's pretty incredible. And I just want to say thank you.